I will withdraw the remark that the petitioners are addressing the public gallery today.
My Lord, with your permission, my lady, yesterday we were barred from being part of these proceedings. We have seen communication that we are now legally here. We have stopped mourning. Could we be allowed officially by these files being called so that we are together? We still feel that we are excluded when we are before you.
In which
Our
petition?
files,
In which petition?
there is petition 5 E570, E550, E541, E572 that are supposed to be before you. That we complained to the CJ in the morning, and the CJ has directed we appear here and be part of this mosaic. Kindly let us be part of it.
Your Lordship, equally, I rise as the advocate appearing in E509 and associate myself with the submissions made by my learned senior counsel, Paul Moite, and the ones made by my learned friend, senior Kevin. Your Lordship, to the best of our knowledge, in the matter E015, when we broke yesterday, there was a promise by the court, and the court has kept that promise, that we shall be coming for a ruling of the application that was made. Yesterday I indicated to the court, Your Lordship, that this court was constituted to deal with the consolidated petitions E522 consolidated, and now E565 consolidated, and we have been issued the notice that my learned friend Mr. Omari is referring to, that he also seized of 4 other matters: E570, E550, E541, and E572. Your Lordship, the notice that was issued to us indicated that we are coming for a mention in respect to those particular files. I hope the court is in possession of this notice, so that the court may refer to the same. Subsequent to which, Your Lordship, will be seeking your guidance on how we deal with the applications filed therein. For example, pursuant to my client's instructions, we filed an application dated the 22nd of October for the recusal of the bench. We wish that subsequent to the court addressing and acknowledging that the other files before it, that I get directions on how to dispose of my application, for which, Your Lordship, the application was served. I wish to take directions exclusively and specifically on that particular matter.
My Lord, may please you, I hate to